In this video, I will demonstrate how to add documentation and assign it to the appropriate location or specific equipment in the InnerWeb system. After logging into the application, select the documentation option from the menu. The main screen of this section displays a list of all documents added to the system. Click the button at the top to add new documentation. In the text field, enter the name of the documentation. Click Select File to upload a document from your local device. Supported file formats are PNG, JPG, and PDF. After selecting the file, click Save to add the documentation to the system. After adding documentation, you can assign a location and equipment to it. Go to the Location section and click Add. From the available list, select the location related to the document. You can also use the search option. In this case, the document applies to the entire area, so I select the whole hall. Click the Add button to confirm the location assignment. In a similar way, you can assign the documentation to specific equipment. In this case, I will assign the document to a device that may change its location. Click Add. From the drop-down list, select the equipment to be linked with the documentation. Confirm the equipment assignment. Save all changes and assignments made. Click the Back button to return to the main document list view. Documents can be grouped by location or equipment, and you can also view unused documents. In this tab, you can view documents sorted by location. In the search bar, enter the location name to display only the documents associated with it. Click the button next to it to search. This is a very convenient solution, as all documents are available in one place and there is no risk of losing them. In the next tab, documents are grouped by specific equipment, which is useful when the equipment frequently changes location. Click this button to view the file. You can always quickly access manuals, calibration documents, or projects. The last tab contains documents that are not assigned to any location or equipment. Deleting a document is only possible in this section. After adding documentation, mobile app users can access the documents from their device. Click Browse. Then select the documentation option. If you are in a location to which documentation has been assigned, it will be displayed automatically. You can also search for the location manually. This way, all documents assigned to that location will be displayed.